Are you struggling to apply for your Social Security check? Confused by the paperwork and approval process? You're not alone. Many people miss out on benefits simply because they don't know the right steps to take. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process to apply for your Social Security check quickly and easily, and I'll share some pro tips to speed up your approval. Hey everyone, welcome back to Benefit Beacon, where we simplify important financial topics to help you make smarter decisions. Today, we're diving into the Social Security check application process. We'll cover who qualifies, how to apply step by step, what documents you need, and how to avoid common mistakes that can delay your approval. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a key strategy to get your benefits faster. Before you apply, you need to know if you're eligible. The Social Security Administration, SSA, provides benefits to retirees, disabled individuals, and survivors of deceased workers. If you've worked at least 10 years, 40 work credits, and are 62 or older, you may qualify for retirement benefits. If you're disabled or a survivor, different rules apply, but don't worry. I'll break it all down for you. Now, let's get into the application process. You have 3 ways to apply: online, by phone, or in person at your local Social Security office. But applying online is the fastest and easiest way. Here's what you need to do. First, visit the official SSA website at www.ssa.gov and click on Apply for Benefits. Then, fill out the online application by entering your personal details, work history, and banking information for direct deposit. After that, submit all required documents, including your birth certificate, Social Security number, proof of U.S. citizenship, and work history records. Finally, review everything carefully and submit your application. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email from the SSA. Processing times vary, but most applications take 4 to 6 weeks. However, I'll share a hack to speed this up in just a minute. One of the biggest reasons Social Security applications get delayed is missing documents or incomplete information. To avoid this, make sure you double-check your application before submitting, upload all necessary documents, and apply early to prevent last-minute delays. If you don't get a response within 4 weeks, call the SSA to follow up. Sometimes a simple inquiry can move your application forward faster. Another trick? If you have an urgent financial need, you can request an expedited review for certain benefits like disability, which could get you approved much faster. Now that you know how to apply for your Social Security check the right way, I want to hear from you. Have you already applied, or are you planning to? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss important Social Security updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.